Hey there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to show lock screen notifications on Samsung Galaxy S25. First you just need to go to settings. Now you just need to go to notifications. From here you'll find lock screen notifications and make sure that the status is on. From here if you tap on this toggle button, then it will turn on lock screen notification on your device. Now you can just set the layout, that notification style, like dot style, icon styles or card styles. If you select card styles, then you can see the content from these cards. Now make sure you tap on show content if you want to see the content or the messages or the content that are about the notification or that are sent from different application. Then you can select show content, and if you want to disable some for the contents for some specific application, then you can just tap on this settings. For example, if you don't want to see the content about the messages that you are get on your messages application, then you can just tap on this toggle button to turn off the permission to show content from that notification on that notification that are sent from the messages application. So that's how you can just specifically give some restriction for your apps. Now you can, like here you can find the show alerting notification only. You can turn it off. Then this silent notification won't be shown on the lock screen feature will visible when you turn it off. Now from here, if you find this a specific application is not sending you notification and it's not appearing on lock screen, then you can go with app notification and make sure that application is allowed to send notification. For example, Gmail, I have just blocked Gmail to send notifications, so it won't give send the notification and it won't appear on my lock screen. So you just need to tap on this toggle button to turn it on. So make sure that it is turned on to which the application that you want to get notification on your lock screen. So that's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a like below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.